Hey, my name is Mike, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up and how to use Google Workspace, which could very well be one of the most powerful tools you can have for your business. I've been using it to manage my businesses for about 6 years now, and I couldn't imagine running a business without it. Once you buy a new license for another user, you can go to Admin Console here and add another user. So you'll see this popping up on your dashboard, but if it is not there for some reason, on the left side, you click on Directory, you click on Users, and you can click Add New User. Now, if you have another license available, like I said, you have to buy that license through Hostinger where we set this up, and then you'll be able to add another user here. I only bought one, so we're just gonna set this up using just one user for now, but if you have another user, it's very easy to do. You can either make their password and username for them, or you can send them to their personal email, like a little link that they can then set it up themselves. That way they have their own password and you don't know their password. For privacy reasons, some employees do prefer that. But looking at myself right here, I want to create what's called an alias. This is a really powerful tool that many people surprisingly don't know about. So if I just click on my name, by the way, to get to this again, you go to Directory, you go to Users, and then you can click on your name, click on where it lights up blue right there, and you'll be able to make aliases. The way this works is if I am like customer service, if I'm also the sales, if I'm also inbound stuff or press or whatever, all these different emails that I want to have listed out there. So maybe for press inquiries, contact press@thekarateisland.com. And then I want that to direct to me. I want to be that email without having to buy another account. Well, you do that from the user settings right here. So if you see user information, we click the little drop down arrow and you'll see alternate email addresses, email alias is what they're called. I can click on that and say the first one is going to be press@thekarateisland.com. Maybe we are also media. Maybe we're also customer service. Maybe we are also timeshare@thekarateisland.com, and I can save that. And that way we now have all those alternate email addresses that if somebody emails any of those, it's going to come to us. And if we want to send as those emails, we can also do that. I'll show you how to do that in Gmail in just a second, but you can add as many alternate emails as you want. It's something that I personally do. It's great for creating a lot of different accounts. If you need to have, multiple different accounts set up on other services, it's great for, free trials, to be honest, if you ever need a new email for that, but most importantly for your business. Now, going over to Gmail, remember how we made those different aliases? Those are different ways people can email us. But if we want to send emails from that as well, we can click on the gear icon, and down here you can say see all settings, and then from see all settings you can go to accounts. So we are going to click add another email address. And remember how we made the aliases? So let's go back to that tab. Aliases are right here again. Google admin.google.com, go to users, click on your user, and then click the drop down for user information, and you'll see the aliases right here. And if you want to add more, little pencil icon, we can add as many as we need to, but customer service is the one that I'm going to do right now. So let's go back to that little pop-up window, and we can choose the name of this. This can be customer service is the name of who's sending the email, customer service, and then the email address is going to be customer service@thekarateisland.com. Next up, it might send us an email. So if I go back to inbox, actually I didn't need to do that because it already knows that that email address was correct. But if you accidentally type one in that's incorrect, it'll make you verify the email address, and that's how you know you did it wrong. So now we're able to send an email as Mike or as customer service. So when we go to compose a new email, you can see the little drop down there. I can send it as customer service, or I can send it as Mike. So we can choose which one we're doing, and you can also change the settings to, by default, always reply from whichever one it came to, or you can go by default, always reply from